Monitoring services love charging per monitor, like UptimeRobot, $7 a month. StatusCake, they charge $20 a month. If you add 5 websites, 10 APIs, a few servers, suddenly you are paying more for monitoring than hosting. So here is how to set up unlimited monitoring for free. One click, 4 minutes. I am using Hostinger VPS. The link is in the description. Their entry level KVM plan is about $5 a month, 1 CPU, 4 gigs of RAM. Uptime Kuma barely uses any resources, so this is overkill, but I like headroom. Uptime Kuma open source monitoring watches website APIs, servers. It alerts you on Slack, Discord, email, Telegram, over 90 services. So let's install it. In your Hostinger hPanel, click on your VPS from the left sidebar and then click on the manage button and then click on the OS panel, click on the operating system, and here scroll down, click on the application and click on the see more button, and here from here find the application, search for Uptime Kuma, and here is the application. Just click on that, click on the change OS and click on this button checkbox and click on the next, and here you will have to select the password. So generate a password, copy the password and hit the confirm button. Once you do that, it will start creating that service, that application on your VPS. So give it some time, it will wipe your VPS and reinstall fresh. So make sure to back up everything important first if you have anything there. So just give it some time. Once it is done, we will resume from there. Alright, the installation has been completed. You see that it is showing the name of the application, and then you have the manage app button here. If you just click on that, it will take you to this URL, and for the first time it will take you to the /setup route. From here you have to create your account. So let's type the username, click on the create, and this will create your admin account. Now we are in the dashboard of this application. Now let's add a new monitor here. Click on this add a new monitor, and in the monitor type I would pick the HTTPS. This check if a website responds. Then let's give it a friendly name, my website, and here you have to paste your website. Let me add ayaztech.com, and here we have the heartbeat interval. That should be 60 seconds. That's fine. Now let's hit the save button. Okay, now you see monitor has been added. It is live. Uptime Kuma is now pinging your site every 60 seconds. You see the progress here. You can come here anytime and see the progress. So monitoring is useless without alerts. So just click on the edit, and here on the right side you will see the setup notification button. So you can click on that, and here you will be able to configure the notification. If you click on that, you will see a lot of options. So over 90 options like Slack, Discord, Telegram, and email, SMS, and webhooks. Okay, I would use Slack here. I have used my Slack alert as the friendly name. Let me fix it, and let's add the webhook URL. They have given us the link to get the webhook. Just click on that. It will take you to the webhooks URL for the Slack, and you can create your app first, and then you have to enable the incoming webhooks, and then you have to create the incoming hook. I already have the app created for the AyazTech demo, so I will just use that. Search for the webhook, incoming webhooks, and here let's activate the incoming webhook option, and then let's add a new webhook. Click on that button and select the workspace, select the channel where you want to receive the alerts. I will select this one, all AyazTech demo. Click on allow, and the webhook has been generated. Let's copy it. Click on the copy button, and let's open this and paste the webhook URL, and you can specify the channel name. That is, let me see, channel name is this. Let me copy the channel name from here and paste it here. The notification has been configured. I just want to test it out. So for that, click on the edit, and if you click on the test, I should receive the notification. Let's see. Yeah, I just got the notification from that app. It is saying my Slack alert testing at channel, and it is coming from here. So this was just a test, but as we have added the real website, and if you go there, you see all of the graphs. This is becoming more interesting over time because it is hitting it every 1 second. whenever site will go down, you will know within 60 seconds. No more finding out from your users. So here you can see this dashboard. Current status is up. Response time graph is very detailed. You can drill down further by selecting the time range like 1 hour, last 24 hours, 6 hours, and so on. You can see uptime percentages, and you can also see the recent events. So you will find a lot of details here, like here. So no limits on the monitors. You can watch everything. Free site monitoring in under 4 minutes. No monthly fees, no monitor limits. Your data stays on your server. Have you subscribed yet? I am covering NA10, WireGuard, Pocket Base, all one click on Hostinger. So the link is in the description. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.